Alright, listen up. AI isn't just changing the world, it's making people rich in 2025. And if you're not riding this wave, you're missing out big time. So, how exactly are people cashing in? Let me break it down, fast. First, there's the side hustle explosion. Imagine you're sitting at home, and an AI tool is whipping up blog posts, designing logos, or even editing videos for you. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are packed with people using AI to deliver work in minutes, not hours. You don't even have to be an expert. Just learn to prompt the AI right and boom, you're making money. Number 2, AI-generated content. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, everyone's hungry for content. People are using AI to script, edit, and even voice their videos. There are creators making thousands every month with AI-powered channels. And the best part? Most of them started with 0 followers. Third, let's talk about e-commerce. AI tools can help you spot trends, automate your store, and chat with customers 24/7. I'm seeing people launch dropshipping stores in a weekend and scale to real profits because AI handles the boring stuff. And here's a wild one: building and flipping AI tools. There are platforms that let you create your own AI apps with no coding. Some folks build simple bots, sell subscriptions, or flip their ideas for quick cash. If you've got a problem, chances are someone will pay for an AI solution. Now you're probably thinking, isn't it too late? Nope. AI is just getting started and new opportunities pop up every week. The only thing stopping you is taking action. So what should you do today? Pick one thing. Learn a basic AI tool, launch a gig, make a video, or brainstorm an AI app. Don't wait for perfection, just start. The people getting rich in 2025? They're the ones who jumped in and figured it out as they went. Remember, every minute you wait, someone else is cashing in on this AI gold rush. So stop scrolling, start learning, and don't let this opportunity slip away. AI is making people rich in 2025. Will you be one of them? Smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're ready to join the AI revolution. See you on the inside.